everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get this look right here. This is like a glam look for the holiday. I called it Christmas, but you can wear it anytime during the holiday season. Yeah, so I used like a lot of pretty much almost all high-end products. Oh yeah, this is the look that I have created. It's actually inspired by one of my good friends here on YouTube, Aina, or Aina Makeup. She did a cut crease look not so long ago, so it did inspire me, but mine is a little bit more on the smoky side. But anyways, I just wanted to give her credit for it. Anyways, yeah, anyways, if you're interested in seeing how I did this look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I already did one eye so that we can just speed up to this other eye. I already did my eyebrows as well, so we're just gonna move on to the eyeshadow primer or concealer. I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Master Contour today. I'm just gonna be using the concealer side. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid with my finger, like so. I'm bringing it up all the way to under my eyebrow. Okay, so I'm gonna just set this with my contour palette by PH Cosmetics. I'm just gonna use this shade right here to set it. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my Subculture palette, and I'm gonna be using the shade Dawn. Just gonna use this Morphe brush, but you can use any brush that you have to apply it. Okay, now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the transition color. The transition color that I'm gonna be using is this color right here called Roxy. I'm just gonna use like a fluffy brush to apply it. Mine is from Wish. Add a little bit more just so that it doesn't fade away after I add other colors on there. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and move on to the crease color. I'm going to use the color Fudge right here, and then I'm just going to use like a pointed brush like this. Mine is from Morphe, so just gonna keep on adding it so that it's super vibrant. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the cut crease part. So I'm gonna be using the same concealer, and then I'm just gonna use a flat brush like this. This one is from Morphe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take like a good layer. And then put some in the bottom right here first, and then look up. And I know where to apply the concealer right there. Okay, then just trying to make a good mark on this side. Just make sure that your brush is super soaked in concealer, and then take your time for the precision part. So I'm just gonna do like this, just slowly building it up. Okay, and then you're just gonna go ahead and smooth it. So just make sure that at the edge it's really cut, like so. I'm not gonna continue the cut crease all the way at the end outside. I'm just gonna do it like almost like a semi cut crease. So I'm just gonna do like an arc going down this way. I'm gonna go ahead and set the concealer with powder, the same color powder that I showed you earlier. Okay, so now that's done, we're gonna go ahead and grab Untamed, and then just grab like the flattest brush you have. So just start building the color up. Okay, now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and go back to the crease color with the same brush, and I'm just gonna fix the outer corner. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the inner corner color. I'm actually gonna go ahead and use electric, and then just using this e.l.f. C contour brush. Using this e.l.f. No Budge retractable aligner into my waterline, and then on my upper inner line as well, tight line in it. And I already put mascara on my other eye, but I'm just gonna put mascara on the top lash, my upper lash, and I'm not gonna put mascara on the bottom because we're still gonna do the face. Sorry, the mascara I'm using is this MAC mascara. It's called A77. Alright guys, so we're taking a little break from the eyes, and we're gonna go ahead and move on to the face. First, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to primer. I'm gonna be using my Laura Mercier foundation primer. This is the Blemish Less primer. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my face, concentrating it in the T-zone. The foundation that I'm going to be using today is the Too Faced foundation. It's called Born This Way, and I'm in shade Warm Beige. I'm going to just use this Lemon Drop beauty sponge by Mikasa Beauty or Mikasa Cosmetics. Alright, I think we're looking much better now. Alright, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to the concealer and bronzer and whatnot. I'm actually gonna be using this Studio Pro by BH Cosmetics. This is the Studio Pro concealer, and I'm using the shade Light Medium. I'm gonna use this this yellow shade right here for the under eye. And then I'm just gonna use this dark right here for the contouring part. Okay, so I'm gonna use the same sponge for the concealer. I'm just gonna dip it right in, just like that. It's really good for me to apply it with the sponge because my under eye tend to get too dry sometimes. Wait, that was not a good idea. So I'm just gonna use this Bare Mineral Essential Light Stroke Concealer brush instead, bringing it a little bit up to my nose. Okay, so my camera just shut down on me, so I don't know where we ended, but I'm just applying the concealer first and trying to blend it as well on just flipping the brush on the other side and then trying to blend it. So I'm just gonna get a brush to try to set everything. And brush I'm using is this crown brush, the SS036 Small Cheek Contour. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my BH Cosmetics palette, and then I'm just gonna grab this yellow shade right there, yellow powder. And then using the same brush, I'm just gonna set everything. I wanted to do the under eye first because that part gets dry fast, so I wanted to just make it perfect first. But we're gonna go ahead and put concealer on the rest of my face as well. So I'm gonna just use the same brush And then I'm gonna use this shade this time, not the yellow one, just this a little bit darker from the yellow. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my T-zone, so my forehead, my nose, and my chin. Then I'm just gonna use the same sponge to mix it up. Alright, so one more time, my camera just shut me off. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to setting the concealer on my T-zone. I'm gonna use the same yellow shade from the same palette and the same brush, because that concealer was a little too dark. Okay, I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics concealer brush. I'm just gonna apply it just like this with the same Maybelline contour stick, or contour duo, master contour, and then I'm just gonna use that to contour my face. Don't forget to make the V on the bottom right here. Blend everything with the same sponge and blending it up as always. And then for the neck area, we're bringing it down. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and use the same BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna use this shade right here for my face, and then I'm gonna use this shade right here for my nose. Use the same brush as always, the e.l.f. small tapered brush. Tap off the excess, and then as usual, dab it first. Get up. Then bring it down. Okay, and I'm gonna be using this angle brush right here. I got it from Wish for my nose contour. I'm just gonna pinch it like this. Tap off the excess always. Then just then the rest. Okay, and then now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the blush. The blush I'm going to be using is this e.l.f. blush palette, and then I'm going to try and get this shade right here. Very little bit goes a long way, so just be just tap it a little bit. I'm going to be using this brush right here from Wish, but you can use whatever brush you have. Okay, so the highlight color I'm going to be using today is this LA Girl strobe light in 50 watts. Just going to use my regular blending brush to apply it. The Crown Brush C330 Pro Blending Crease Brush. Okay, almost forgot, gotta do the under eye area. So I'm actually gonna get this flat brush right here. This is just from my Urban Decay Naked palette. I'm just gonna grab that, and I'm gonna be grabbing the shade Rowdy from the Anastasia Subculture palette, and I'm just gonna place it right on my lower lash line on the outer corner. And then I'm going to take the same brush that has the crease color, and taking the same crease color, the fudge, and putting it down under that color that we just placed. As you can see, my hand is all the way out here so that I don't press too much on it. Alright. Alright, you guys, it's finally coming together. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the inner corner color, but I'm gonna be using my pinky this time. So yes, honey. I'm just gonna use the same brush that I applied it earlier, and then just blend it a little bit, just like that. Just bringing it up just like that. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara to my bottom lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the look by applying some liquid lipstick. This one is from AOA Studio Wonder Matte Lipstick in Blogger. And then we're gonna go ahead and finish up everything by using this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is in lavender. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Would you recreate this for the holiday, for Christmas? Let me know in the comment below. Yeah, but that's pretty much it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Don't forget to share it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Click the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I'll be uploading videos, 5 videos a week for the month of December until Christmas for vidmas. Anyways, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. If I'm not on YouTube, I'm always over there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Okay, then just smooth it up. Then just smooth. Okay, now that that's done, and then I'm gonna move on to foundation. The foundation today,